Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all having a great Friday. I hope you all ready for this weekend as well. Yesterday, I made a video saying I'm gonna post videos on what successful people do on an everyday basis. What are their habits that help them grow in life? So today's day one, and today we're gonna talk about planning your day every day. I'm gonna turn my camera around. I'm gonna show you my composition book that I have that I plan my night out every time. So let's turn this around real quick. So here I plan my day. You can see it says daily tasks, daily goals, and a composition book. I'm just gonna flip through the several pages. As you can see, I write down quite a bit. And when I'm done, I'll mark them out. So I'll put a check next to them. If I don't get to it, you see an X. Don't get discouraged if you have an X on one of your days. Now, the best time to plan this out is when you go to sleep. Well, before you go to sleep, actually. So when you wake up in the morning, you know exactly what you're doing. And when you're sleeping, it's subconsciously in your mind, and you don't have to stress about it. So when you wake up in the morning, you're not like, what do I do? What do I do? You know your day because you planned it the night before. Day one, keep going.